Hello, this is Sharon Narain, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State, and I'm coming to you as well from the hospital. My husband is in the hospital. Thank you so much for those of you who are praying. Okay, but what I would like to share, and folks, you see, this is the beauty of having a home-based business. This is the beauty. You can be there for your loved ones. You can be there in the hospital like I am at. You can see here I have my laptop and I am, working from the hospital. At any rate, this, folks, this is called a Newbies on Fire. You can see that. Let me pull this back. And these are people in real time. See right here that they are making money in real time. See that? $850. Beverly Joseph just made $200. Orlando, Julian, all these folks. This is real time. It's happening even as we are speaking. So, folks, I will drop the link down below. Okay, the Newbies on Fire. I will give you my link so that you can be able to see what I'm talking about. Also, once you click on the link, okay, it will tell you if you would like to go to our Facebook group, and in that group will show you, so many people are in that group. You will be able to see what they're making and what they're doing. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on the group and click join, and now join the group. Okay, wait for a little bit. Shouldn't take too long. Admin is gonna accept you. Okay, it happens right away, or sometimes it takes a little time, like maybe 5-10 minutes. It all depends. And folks, this is my capture page now. You see that what it says, and this is global, folks. Global opportunity. Refer new members to worldwide unlimited income potential. Okay, so invite everybody. This is a worldwide global opportunity. We do have the Facebook community. Connect and network with marketers from all around the world, folks. You can make friends with so many people, from people all across, around the world. Then also you have, let me just move this out here. You also have a 5-star support. Let's see, we have highly trained and dedicated support team to handle your support requests. Let's say if there's something you want to change password, or you can't log in, or whatever, and the support group will be able to help you. Now, folks, this thing run by cookies. Okay, so let's see what it says down below here. This site uses cookies to deliver our service and to show you relevant ads and information. By using our site, you acknowledge that you have read and understand our cookie privacy and privacy policy. See that way down there. You're going to click accept, or you're going to click reject. First of all, folks, once you click on my link, all you need to do is just to click accept, and it is that simple. So let me move this around. Now here's the deal with this program, folks. What the program is all about, it's all digital training. You have training from they teach you a variety of things, how to post your ads on social media. There's a way, posting an ad has an art to it. It has timing when you post your ad, and what you need to say, what are the trigger words and all of that, the keywords. Folks, tons of training you will be getting once you join this company, and that's what the business is all about. It's selling, okay, it's selling training. So it is a digital entrepreneur training for so many things, especially how to advertise any of your business, not only the Newbies on Fire, but whatever business you have. People don't know how to they don't know how to advertise and how to have eyeballs on their on their business, how to drive traffic and all of that, folks. It's endless. You have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have Instagram, you have Pinterest, you have so many. Oh my goodness. So folks, I will drop the link down below, and all you need to do is to click on the link, add yourself to the Facebook group, and reach out to me. You know, I'm very transparent. 352-805-9846. Again, that's 352-805-9846. And I will be more than happy, willing and ready to teach you, to train you, to show you how you too can become financially free just by follow the blueprint, folks. Just follow the blueprint. Okay, again, my name is Sharon Lorraine, and I'm looking forward to see you on our team, you know, with training and everything. And folks, this is not hard at all. I mean, you make anywhere from $25 all the way to $500. And folks, this is not on one time. This is unlimited. You get unlimited, you know, sign up and the money is all yours. Okay, folks, so again, my name is Sharon Lorraine, and you take care. Again, I will drop the link. You know, you just call me, text me, 352-805-9846, and please hit the bell so that you can be able to know when I'm doing a video. And also click that big red or blue button. It says subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just hit it, and that's a subscribe button. Okay, folks, until then, this is Sharon Lorraine, and I'm kind of a little bit tired, but you know, like as I said, this is what it's all boils down to. This is what it's all about, being there, you know, for your loved ones. And I am here, you know, for my husband. You can see, he's there in bed, and I am here in the hospital room. So this is my bed. I'm sitting down, and I'm using the table for my desk. So folks, again, Sharon and Rain, peace out, take care, bye for now. My husband is snoring, he's tired. If I can get this, if I can get it, where is the stop button? Try to see where I can stop it. Oh, I probably have more than one running, so let me see which one it is. Oh, folks, I am getting some trills here. This is recording still? I'm not sure. Okie dokie, so where do I stop it? I am not seeing the button. You know, I have a lot of things open up here, so where are you, Sharon? Oh, there it is. No, I don't want to do another video. I am done.